What's going on, everybody? It's Jacob Rakowski, walking the path on my way to eat some sushi, and I am leaving the lake. And today I did a very, very successful getting started game plan interview with one of our brand new business partners, Mr. Curtis, and I used the amazing, and this is a couple part point of video that I'm making. I used the very incredible designed special documents getting started. It's just stuff that we have already had and already know, but it's packaged in a beautiful way, and it's in a way that is very easy to read and understand. It's basically Eric Worre's 8-step getting started process, but yeah, the list building process, all that stuff, that designed by Mr. Eric Higgins and Miss Eloisa Higgins, and we went through that together over about 45 minutes. And he left knowing what his 1 month goal was, what his 1 year goal was, what his 10-year goal was, exactly what he needed to do, how many mixers he needed to do to get that done. His goal of a first month income of $2,000 a month. And he knew exactly what he needed to get that done. He's going to do 8 mixers to get that done. But and of course, he had also the coffee sales script that he needed to make that money as well. But here's my point. That's one point. You need to use the proper tools to get a person started and use the proper tools to lead a person along the path to figure out their goals. But number 2, fortune is in the follow-up, right? This was a person that I've known for over 4 years that's been exposed to the business but never got started, and it's just been maintaining a relationship, maintaining a relationship, maintaining a relationship, maintaining a relationship. This person's driving. Maintaining a relationship every single quarter for every single 3 months, over and over and over and over and over again for 4 years, and now has decided, after watching the Holton Bugs Facebook Live last night that I put him on, which it took my follow-up to get that done, he has finally decided, yes, I'm ready to get started, I'm ready to go gold. But the fortune has been in the follow-up, in staying in rapport, in staying connected, in keeping that relationship, in every so often reaching out and saying, how are you doing? In getting him started right and showing him exactly what goals he needs to set for himself and the actions he needs to take for himself in order to reach those goals. So what does this mean for you? If you expose somebody today and they don't get started, that's phenomenal. All you need to do is stay in rapport with them. At the opportune time, they're going to come around and say, yes, I'm ready to rock, I'm ready to roll, I'm ready to do this thing. Let's get started. And that's exactly what happened. Now, another really key point is we all need to be inviting like crazy for San Antonio tonight for Holton Bugs, for Denver on the 31st for Holton Bugs, for Minneapolis August 1st for Holton Bugs. And just go. Search in your Facebook, my friends in Minneapolis, my friends who live in Wisconsin, my friends who live in Chicago, my friends who live in New Jersey, and get those people there. But you got to take the action. You got to plan it. You got to invite those people, and you got to get them there. So that's my tip for you guys. Just keep it simple. Stay in rapport with people, kick butt, and eat delicious sushi like me, if you like sushi, and never stop. Never stopping. Have a beautiful night, everybody. God bless.